guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquila and this is the first day to my moving vlog. So today we are going to get the moving truck and start getting a couple things in there, but tomorrow all day we're going to be moving the stuff into the moving truck, and then Saturday we are leaving to move. And if you guys didn't know, my husband's in the military, so we got stationed in Texas. So yeah, we're gonna be moving to Texas. He's already down there. I'm just now getting down there, especially with all this stuff going on. But I've already packed up most of the rooms, and a lot of the rooms are practically empty because I moved a lot of stuff downstairs. Like the rooms up here are really empty. I'll show you guys. But this room, there's not really anything left in here, just a TV stand, some pillows, and a bookshelf. And then in this room, there's just a computer desk, and then the bathroom has a couple things. I have some things right here that need to go downstairs. And then my room has honestly the most stuff, just because that's kind of like the last thing we're packing. And all the closets are empty. Nothing in this closet. There's nothing in the bedroom closet. That needs cleaned out. And then I'll show you the downstairs. The downstairs is what really has a lot. Like, all the boxes, everything's just piled right here just because the front door's right there, and we're parking the truck right where the front door is. And then this room just has a lot of stuff, and then we have a lot of stuff in our garage too. But yeah, I thought I would do a moving series. Like, I have a couple videos planned out, so I'm gonna get a couple out there. And I asked my Instagram followers if I should start, oh, I'm out of breath from going up those steps. I asked my Instagram followers if I should start posting on a regular schedule because I really want to. I'm gonna try either for, what was it? Mondays and Fridays out of the week, or Wednesdays and Sundays. So whichever one you guys want, let me know, comment below, and I will do that. Because I really need to stay on schedule. I'm gonna try to get 2 videos out a week at least. Even if it's not on those days, at least 2 videos a week. So that's what I'll try to do. And about, what time is it? It's 2:19 right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. You kind of can, but yeah, it's 2:19, and my mom gets off work at 3, so she's gonna drive with me, and while I'm driving with her, and we're gonna go get the moving truck. It's about an hour away, which isn't too bad. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'll probably just get back to you guys when I get on the road and we're heading to the moving place. So I'll be back. All right, hey guys, I'm back. So we just got the moving truck and now we're heading home. It's pretty big, right, Mom?
Yes.
She's driving it. Thank you for her. I'm thankful for her for driving it because I could never. And she doesn't like driving it. But now we're just heading home. Hey guys, so it is day 2 of packing, and we haven't gotten anything in the moving truck yet because my mom gets off work at 11:30 and she's gonna come help me get started on it then. But the moving truck is just right out in the yard. I'll show you guys. It's pretty big. Hopefully this focuses. I don't know if it'll focus, but yeah, it's pretty big. There's the end, and then it goes all the way over there. We probably could have got a smaller size, but it's okay. It's better to be safe than sorry because, I mean, we don't have a lot of stuff, but we do. But, well, still better to be safe than sorry, even if it is too big. And luckily my mom's driving it because I could never, so I'm thankful for her. Hey guys, so I figured I'd start vlogging again to show you guys like what we've been doing with the house and stuff. So we do live on post, and we have 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and I've already started organizing a lot of stuff, and our closet is pretty much organized, so that's good. The room really needs organized more. Pretty tragic. I'll also be doing like a house tour once everything's finished. But the bathroom is pretty messy. We're getting there though. Here's the hallway. This room is actually kind of somewhat organized more than the others. Wait for it to focus. There we go. Kinda. And then the dining room has a lot of stuff in it. Those are boxes that need like recycled, thrown away. Here's the living room, kind of organized. Still needs organized pretty much. And then the kitchen still needs organized. But right now I am just working on the bathroom. So I'm gonna do that. I'll probably set you guys up the camera down here because I think I'm gonna need in these to organize it. Alright, so now that's pretty much organized. Everything's organized down there, but I do need to clean that off. So I'll have to do that, and I'll stick this mirror up here. I need to clean that off too, but just to get it organized. So now I need to get all this out of here. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm in the other room. Hey guys, so I'm just checking back in again. I haven't really did much. I've actually decluttered all the boxes besides that one and that one. So those are the two boxes we have left. and I'm still kind of organizing and getting stuff situated. I've mostly been working in here, and then the bathroom. I haven't really touched the bedrooms yet. I still need to work on the kitchen, but I can't really do much because I have stuff in the dishwasher. I'm waiting for that to get out so that I can empty that box to go into the dishwasher and put in the cabinets. And then I'm gonna try to organize this table and hopefully set these boxes outside, take out the trash. Yeah, we have a lot to do. Well, I have a lot to do, but I've been trying to really organize. I organized some stuff in the closet in here. Just a lot of like miscellaneous things. This room doesn't really have much in there. It just needs picked up a little and the bed made, and that's about it. And then the bathroom actually got messy again because I found more stuff and I didn't actually organize the rest of it yet. So it got pretty messy again, but that's okay. I have to wash that bath mat too. Our room is still pretty tragic. Hopefully it starts looking good sooner or later. It will after I get all this done. And we have a bunch of fur on the floor. Our dog shed so much, but that's okay. And yeah, but this is what the setup's like so far. Pretty snazzy. I like it. Now we just have to get a couch. Our dogs tore up our other ones, so we had to throw it out. So we should be getting a couch sometime, hopefully. But yeah, now I'm just waiting for some more laundry to get done and the dishwasher to get done, and then I can put up that stuff since that stuff is dry now, so I can put up that, and then I'll probably just organize the table. Alright, it's getting clear besides the table still, but I moved that over there, another trash can over there. Still have to do stuff with that, but we're getting there. And I actually just organized the bathroom. Now I just have to actually wipe it down now. There's me. I don't match, but I don't care. I'm just cleaning. So yeah, now I'm just organizing this, wiping everything down. All that stuff's there. We have stuff to organize in these things. Gotta sweep and mop. We're getting there. Hey guys, so I'm back again, and today I'm just putting picture frames up, and I'll show you guys. So now we're just hanging everything up. So mostly everything is set up, and we just have to get a couch. But yeah, I'm gonna hang this clock probably right there. I think that'll be a good spot for it. And then I have some other picture frames to hang, and then I'm gonna hang some tapestries. I'm gonna hang them in here. I think I'm gonna hang one right there and another one right here. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Everything's looking pretty good. Dining room table needs cleaned off. The kitchen is looking pretty good. There's a couple things that need put up, but other than that, it's pretty snazzy. Our room is still struggling just a little, but we did finish putting this room, kind of organizing it. I'm washing the bedding, but it's pretty much organized for the most part. And then our room is just, it's better. It's better than it was, that's for sure. Nothing cluttered on the floor really, but my makeup vanity has some stuff. But yeah, right now I'm just, like I said, getting ready to hang up some stuff. So that is what I'm doing, if I can find the hammer. So I'll probably stick you guys like right here, because then you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, we're gonna hang these tapestries first. So one of them's gonna go over here. So there's that tapestry. I think it looks cute, especially with that plant right there. I probably could have scooted it over a little more, but it'll be fine right there. Cute. So now I'm going to hang the other tapestry, I think right there, or should I put it in the living room? I think it'll go right here. Pretty snazzy, pretty snazzy. I feel like it kind of makes sense right there. You know, it says the star and then we have a telescope. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and hang up, I can't hang up this one yet. I can't hang up the shelf yet because this needs more pictures in it. That needs more pictures in it. And I gotta hang up all these picture frames and that. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna hang those and then I'll be back.